Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about buying, holding, or even selling bitcoins in 2025 and you are wondering whether Cash App is still a safe choice, this video is going to give the full scope you needed. So, let's get right into it. Is Cash App safe for bitcoins in 2025? The short answer is yes. It's still one of the more trusted and user-friendly platforms out there. Cash App is owned by Block Inc., formerly Square, and they've continued to invest heavily in security infrastructure for crypto users. Your Bitcoin is protected with strong encryption, two factor authentication, and cold storage for most of the holdings, which adds another layer of safety. What's even better in 2025 is that Cash App now allows more seamless transfer to personal wallets, meaning you're not forced to keep everything on the app if you don't want to. That gives users more freedom and better security control. But of course, like any platform, it's not perfect. If someone gets access to your phone or login and you don't have 2FA on, they could move your bitcoins. So make sure you lock down your device, your app, and use biometric security or strong password. And while Cash App isn't a full-on crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance, it's perfect for beginners who want a clean, simple way to start with Bitcoin. It gives you a price alert, real-time charts, and now supports Bitcoin deposits from outside wallets too. A big step forward from the earlier versions. Alright guys, if you're using Cash App for Bitcoins in 2025, just be smart about your security setups and don't storage large amounts long term without hardware wallet. Let me know in the comments, are you sticking with Cash App or switching to something else? And if you got value from this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for more tech and crypto breakdowns every week. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.